guys, we're here to talk about my favourite sandpaper, which is Abranet Ace. So this is a net mesh style abrasive. Mirka invented this back in the early 2000s. The first generation that they did was called Abranet. That was an aluminium oxide grain. Abranet Ace is their second generation of it. Been around for a very long time. It's a ceramic grain, cuts really well, leaves a really nice finish. And because it's like a fly screen, all of that dust is just getting sucked through up into the dust extractor. It's not clogging the abrasive, and it's not causing pigtails or swirl marks on your job that you're doing. So it's a really great abrasive. Comes in many sort of different size formats that we have. This is a 125mm, 150mm. We've also got it here in the 81x13 for the little orbital block sanders, 77mm. This one here is 225mm, which is for your big giraffe Leros sanders. And we also do it in this tiny little 32mm, which is really good for getting into those really hard to get places. A lot of people are using these to do rims on cars and things like that, just with this tiny little one. But this abrasive is very versatile. It can be used across many different industries. So it's used in wood, can be used in automotive, fiberglass, boats, metal, all of the industries. You can pretty much use this ceramic grain abrasive, and it's very long lasting, and you're not going to be breathing in that dust. The only one that you wouldn't really use it on would probably be glass, and there is a net abrasive for that. It's called Sickiness. I really recommend getting in and trying this. We do them in mixed grit boxes for the big boxes. You can get a range of different grits into that box, or we do also 10-pack formats of them. You can give that a try. But yeah, if you want to lift your sanding to the next level, give Abranet Ace a try.